Hello, everybody, and welcome. I am so excited that you are here joining us for the 6th annual Treasure Trovember. I'm Kelly. I'm the founder of Collage-Lab. I've been teaching online since 2020. You can visit explore.collagelab.com, check out all of our courses, online workshops, play dates, and challenges, and our membership program. But I'm so excited that you're here for our free 30-day mixed media collage challenge called Treasure Trovember. This started out in November of 2020 as a total experiment. I was wondering what would happen if collage artists from all over the world each created a piece where they added one thing a day for 30 days. That's what we're going to do. That's how Trovember was born. I had no idea if it was going to work. I had no idea if anybody was going to show up or participate or get through the full 30 days, but it turns out it was a hit. And so we're back for our 6th year. The name comes from Treasure Trovember because we all have a treasure trove of art supplies, things that we bought and never used, things that we used once and forgot about, things that are buried at the back of a shelf or in a drawer. And so Treasure Trovember is designed for you to give some love to those forgotten supplies. We will go through the month quickly. Aside from today's welcome video, each daily video I will present a prompt, and then I'm doing the challenge alongside you. I'll add to my collage, and then you can add your one element and get about your day. So the normal videos each day will be 2 to 3 minutes long. I'll just give you a prompt. I encourage you to go with the first thing you think of, and it can be anything. If the prompt, you've got a picture that fits the prompt, go for it. If you don't, then go ahead and pull out those art supplies, paints and inks and markers, draw something, cut something out of a book or a magazine, whatever strikes your fancy. We're here for 30 days, so no one element is going to be the star of the show. No one element is precious. So I encourage you to act quickly. If you haven't registered yet, head over to the website explore.collagelab.com/Trovember. Register and you will get a free download, 30 tips for 30 days, where I asked veterans of Trovember that had done 1 or more years for their top tips. Some of them were things I didn't even think of because I'm the founder. I'm really too close to it, right? And so as participants, they gave me their top 30 tips. And will be showing up here on YouTube every single day, November 1st through the 30th. I designed the challenge to be quick and easy. Whatever time you have in your day, if it's available when you wake up in the morning and you've got a little bit of time on your lunch hour, after work, after school, before you go to bed at night. It's also designed so you can catch up. So I know everybody's busy. If you've got job obligations, family, things like that during the week, it's designed so you can catch up really easily on the weekend. It's going to take you maybe 10 minutes, 2 minutes to watch the video, a couple minutes to come up with an idea, find what you're looking for, glue it down, and you're done until the next day. So I hope you enjoy this. The only real tips I've got, there are no rules. If what I do for a prompt doesn't resonate with you, make it your own interpret it however you'd like to, using whatever you've got. Use what you have. Don't go out and buy a bunch of art supplies just for this challenge. We're here to use up things you already bought, right? And I encourage you to start with a larger piece of paper. So maybe not in your sketchbook. This year I'm going to work on 11 by 15 piece of 140-pound watercolor paper. Just as you're choosing your surface or your substrate, think about the fact you're going to be adding 30 things to this. So you don't want to limit your possibilities if it's too small. You don't want to, have everything all crammed in together. What else? I like the 140-pound watercolor paper because that allows me to use all the art supplies, all the water media, the inks, the paints, things like that, and something sturdy like that will absolutely hold up to all those layers. But people have done Trovembers on all sorts of surfaces, so use your imagination if you'd like, and interpret the prompts how you would like. If you absolutely hate a prompt, you can skip it. I'm not going to notice. I encourage you to also share. If you are in the Collage-Lab membership or have taken a class from me, there's a group on the website where you can share there. If you're sharing on Facebook or Instagram, if you tag at my Collage-Lab over on Instagram, I will do my best to see your work throughout the month. It gets a little overwhelming, but do share. Hashtags don't work as well as they used to on social media, but if you want to use the hashtag Trovember, other people around the world that are doing this challenge might find what you're creating as well. I do encourage you, even if you're not posting daily on social media, I encourage you to take a picture every day after you've done the prompt. Document your process. It's really amazing to see what happens over the course of 30 days. So that's about all I've got for you. I am so very excited that you are here. I am so excited to get this challenge started. It's the 6th year, and I'm not going to keep you real long today. I'm going to tell you that the prompt for day 1, and I'll let you know if you've been here before, you've heard this one before. We're going to start with a grid background. Yeah, we've heard that before, right? Like probably every single Trovember. I feel like we want the first thing we put down on that big blank piece of paper, we want it to set the stage. And I will encourage you to not go overboard with your background because you've got 29 other things to add on top of it, and you don't need your background to draw attention. So neutral is good. Something that isn't really bright, fancy, over the top is a good idea. I always say, think about when you go to the theater. I worked in theater for 30 years, so I'm always thinking like that. Oftentimes, the stage floor is painted flat black, and one of the reasons for that is so that you pay attention to the actors and the costumes and the sets and the lighting. It's a platform. It is the background. And so that's what we're doing. We're setting the stage for 29 other elements that are coming this month. So keep that in mind as you start your 6th annual Treasure Trovember collage with a grid background. And I will see you back here tomorrow for the day 2 prompt.